Hello guys, today we are going to SIM bypass iPhone 5 SE. So it is locked to iPhone locked to owner, so we have to solve this problem, and for that we have to first plug in the USB cable from PC to our mobile. So we have to SIM bypass this in order to solve this problem. First of all, we have to open the tool by the name of iBypass LPro. Look at guys, we have opened the tool. It is loading, so we have to wait for that. Wait guys, so that the activate device option turn on. Wait, look at guys, the option has been turned on, so we have to click on the activate device and wait for that so that it work. Look at guys, and it has been successfully activated, and the phone has been restarted automatically. Congratulations guys, the problem has been solved and it is working.